Are you looking for a computer coaching center? Solution is I Need Tutorials. I am Jadeja Bhuneshwari Ba and I am completed my BCA. I am joining I Need Tutorials. Before this, I have so many doubts on my practical and theory subjects also. After joining I Need Tutorials, I am very confident about my practical subjects and theory also. I am very average student and I don't know about practical as well. Then sir will help a lot for me. So I am very confident about now and my practical subjects. Sir will help me on my final project. Sir will get backlog session, doubt session. Sir will help. Anytime you want, sir will help you. Sir will explain one time, two time, three time. Anytime you want, sir will explain the question theory. Sir will explain in very simple way, in very understandable way. So for me, I Need Tutorial in Bhuj is best coaching center.